In the previous video, I have told you about information to goat farming, advantages of goat farming and importance of goat farming in economic growth. I have also told you about select a suitable farm location, purchase quality breed and housing for goat farming business. You can watch my previous video by clicking the link in description. In this video, I am going to tell you care and management, vaccination, marketing and total expenditure and profit. Always try to take good care of your goats. Never feed them contaminated food or polluted water. Keep their house as much as neat and clean as possible and clean their house on regular basis. For commercial production, keep kids, bucks and does separated for each other. Take extra care to the breeding bucks, kids and pregnant does. Keep the kids with their mother for several weeks after their birth. Various types of viral diseases like PPR, goat pox, foot and mouth diseases and bacterial diseases are very harmful for goats. So, proper vaccination is must to prevent these types of diseases. The does which was not vaccinated PPR, vaccinate them at the 5th month of gestation period. Vaccinate the kids PPR, vaccinate when they reach 5 months of age. Always take good care of your animals and vaccinate them timely to prevent unwanted health hazards and diseases. Marketing is the most important but easiest steps of goat farming business. Goat products like meat and milk has a huge local and global demand and popularity. Almost all types of people like goat milk and meat. So a good market is already available in almost every place of the world. You can sell easily your products in your nearest market. Total expenditure and profit from goat farming business depends on the farming system, location, breeds, feeding cost and some other factors. By good planning and proper management, you can easily make goat farming business more profitable. Small scale farming requires less investment and profit can contribute your regular income. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video, leave your comments and share it with your friends, and for more videos please subscribe my channel.